Occasion where we have to use simple present tense is in newspaper headlines. In newspapers, actually, yesterday's news is published today. So, previous day or yesterday means past time. So, accordingly, we have to use simple past tense. But in headlines, we have headlines actually instead of simple past tense, we use simple present tense only. Now let us see. Peace talks fail. Actually, yesterday the two countries or the two groups might have sat and might have negotiated, might have talked. So it should be in simple past tense. But in headlines, we write in only fail, not failed. And road accident occurs. Yesterday some road accident occurred, road accident happened, so it was past only. Accordingly, it must be written in simple past tense, but in headlines it is written as occurs, that is simple present tense. So this is where we use simple present tense instead of simple past tense, especially in newspaper headlines. Not in the detailed news, but in headlines we use simple present tense instead of simple past tense. Next, in dramas, to describe the action of the play, and in radio commentators, when the radio or the TV commentators, when they sat at sports events like cricket, football, lawn tennis, in that way. So, when the commentators of radio or television goes there, they also use simple present tense instead of simple past tense for the already happened actions. In opera and orchestra and everything, also simple present tense used instead of simple past tense. Let us see, for example, when the curtain rises. Actually, curtain already rose. Curtain was removed. So it must be in rose, that is simple past tense. But they mention in simple present tense only. So it is rises, not rose. Juliet is writing. Actually, it already happened. She was writing at that time. So instead of was writing, we use is writing only. And at her desk, suddenly the window opens. Actually, window already opened. So simple past tense must be there, but instead of simple past tense, we use simple present tense only. So this is in dramas, in cricket commentaries like radio commentary and television commentary, we use simple present tense, that is V1 instead of V2, that is simple past tense. Now, what is the other occasion where we use simple present tense instead of present continuous? We use simple present tense. Verbs of possession. Verbs of possession means our ownership. The verbs which denote our ownership are called verbs of possession. What are those verbs? Have, possess, own, belong, consist, comprise. This kind of verbs should not be used in present continuous tense. That is, am, is, are plus ing form we should not use. We must use only V1 form only. If it is negative, we use do not or does not. Now let us see some examples. I am having a car. I am having a pen. I am having a flat. In this way we use. In this way we use, but it is wrong. Have denotes possession, so it should not be used in continuous am, is, are plus ing form. It must be used only V1 only, that is simple present tense only, that is have or has only. And she is not having a scooty, it is negative. So is having is present continuous, and having denotes possession of a scooty, our ownership of a scooty. Then it should not be used in present continuous, that is am, is, are plus ing form we should not use. we must use in simple present tense only. That is, here negative in simple present tense, what are the helping verbs in simple present tense? Do, does. When the subject is singular, we must use does. So, she does not have a scooty. This is the correct sentence. And now, house is belonging to me. Again, is belonging also denotes possession only. This is present continuous, we should not use. We must use only simple present tense. Belong or belongs only, that is V1. But house singular, that's why we must write belongs to me. Are you having a pen? So here it is a question. We have to see positive, we have to see negative, we have to see interrogative also. So are you having a pen? Here also verb is are plus having. This is present continuous tense. We should not use. It must be used only in the simple present tense only. Again we have to use helping verb do or does. So do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? We can use. This is the right sentence. But we can use I am having. Okay, I am having lunch, I am having breakfast, I am having dinner. Because here having is not used for possession or ownership. It is only to give the meaning like taking. I am taking meals, I am taking lunch, I am taking breakfast. So instead of taking, we can use I am having breakfast. Next one is verbs of appearing. Verbs of appearing, verbs of feeling, and verbs of thinking. These verbs also should not be used in continuous tenses. These must be used only in simple present tense only. For example, I've said. Okay, next occasion where we have to use simple present tense instead of present continuous tense. Here verbs of appearing. What are the verbs? Appear, look, seem. These verbs we should not use in continuous tenses. For example, he is appearing to be happy. Here is appearing. Is B form, am is or B form. This is present tense. Ing form continuous, present continuous. We should not use in present continuous. We must use only simple present tense V1, appear or appears. Here subject singular, he or she or it we use with S. So appears is simple present tense and it is singular. Subject he is singular, appears singular. So he appears to be happy. He is appearing to be happy is grammatically wrong. From examination point of view, these are very, very important. So don't write is appearing, am appearing or appearing. It must be only appear or appears only. And she is not seeming to be satisfied. Here also what is the verb? Is seeming. Not is an adverb of negation. So verb is seeming. Is helping verb, seeming is present participle main verb. So is a B form. B form helps the main verb to form a continuous tense and is present, so it is present continuous. We should not use present continuous. Verbs of appearing, that is appear, look, seem, we should not use in continuous. Okay, we must use in simple present tense only. It is negative, that's why we take helping verb do or does. Does is singular, do is plural. So here subject is singular, she is singular, so does we use, we don't use actually do. So she does not seem to be satisfied. Another occasion is verbs of feeling. Okay, we have different kinds of feelings: love, hate, like, dislike. Okay, this kind of verbs we should not use in continuous tense. I am not hating you. Here verb is am hating. Am is present, ing form is continuous, present continuous. We should not use love, hate, like, dislike, this kind of verbs in present continuous. We must use in simple present tense. It is negative, that's why we take do or does helping verb, hate main verb. So here with he, she, it, with these three pronouns we use singular, that is does. With I, we use do only. With you and they, we use do only. So I do not hate. This is simple present tense. Where do or does is there, it is simple present tense, and the main verb we will come. And she is disliking me. Here also again present continuous. It should not be used in present continuous. It must be used only in simple present tense. She dislikes me. So V1, dislike, dislikes. These two are in simple present tense. Dislikes, S is there, that is singular. Subject is singular, verb is singular. Next one is verbs of thinking. Think, suppose, forget, remember, understand, and know. So these are the various verbs which denote actually thinking, and remaining verbs are also there. And these verbs we should not use in present continuous. We must use only in simple present tense only. I am not remembering the answers. Here what is the verb? Am remembering. Am is, or again I told you, B forms present tense, ing form continuous, present continuous. And this is actually W means wrong, R means right. So this should be used in simple present tense again. In negative we take do or does. With I we use do only. Do remember is the verb. Whenever do or does is there in the verb, it is simple present tense. So I do not remember the answers. So this is the correct. And she is understanding the situation. Here also again is, am is or present, B forms, understanding, ing form, present participle. So present and present continuous. And this sentence is grammatically wrong. What we have to use? Again we have to use V1, understand or understands. She subject, singular, so understands. And another example, I am knowing him. This is again KNOW, know, should not be used in continuous tenses. It must be used only in simple present tense or present perfect only. So I am knowing him is wrong. Am, B form and ing form continuous, we should not use. Here I know him. I know him. If it is negative, suppose he is not knowing us. Here also he is knowing is present continuous, we should not use, and we must use in simple present tense only. He is singular, we will take the helping verb does. He does not know us. Now these are the various examples where we have to use simple present tense instead of present continuous or simple future. So I think I have discussed a little bit elaborately. If any doubts or anything you want to express, you express in the form of a comment, and you are most welcome always.